Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got Rara in the studio and people keep asking about the Omega Light that they see in our videos and they haven't seen Peter doing a video with it. So we're going to use that to do a fashion shoot.
So today I'm going to show off with my Mega Light. I originally got this because I was shooting cars, motorbikes. I was doing a lot of work for motorbike magazines and some furniture and biggish products, which I only wanted one catch light. I had a problem with my roof highlights even at night time with cars. So very quickly I worked out it was no good for cars and it worked fine for motorbikes. But I have used this for fashion as well and really enjoy it. The picture that's on the screen right now was shot with this, and also some dance shots I've done using this light as well. So the shots you've just seen are all shot just using the Mega Light. Now in the Mega Light I have 8 heads inside it. It is 6.2 meters by 2.4 meters. It has 4 packs up in the roof that run it. These tracks go right through the roof, and with our controller, you'll see that was coming forward, so I can move it forward and back. I can move it up and down. I can move it left and right. And then I've got my special buttons, which will do things like tilt it. So I can tilt it. Pretty much I can turn this to anywhere I like. The only servo I didn't put on this was the spinning one, because I just spin it by hand. It's on a turntable spin, and it worked easier just to spin it by hand. So that's the unit. There's a sneaky little Pro Photo sitting over there, because there's a tiny little sensor at the top. So my Pro Photo will fire up onto that sensor. So that's not lighting the model at all. That's just to set the box off. Now I can set every single light in there different individually between, I think my lowest is 4 up to 10. So I can move every light around. I can turn modeling lights on and off. All of that control I have over every single light, as well as the firing of it. I'm just going to get my exposure right and get Rara in the position I want to shoot in, and then set up my vehicle just there. So I'm going to put my highlight alerts on. Right, so her hair's just going off and the floor's just going off. I want to get a little bit more light, just a little bit more into the wall, and I also want to have a little bit of room so I can add a fair bit of contrast without anything going off. So I'm just going to lift this light up. Let's try that. And I might move you into more the center, so come across this way a bit more. Right, to about there, mainly because then she's in between heads, even though the heads are getting diffused. Cool, so you can see we're still going off in her hair a little bit, and we're still I don't mind the floor going off, and when I say going off, it's at 247. And I'm liking how this is spread out there more, so I'm gonna lift it up. And I also got to allow for Rara getting that high up, so I've got to lift it. I'm gonna lift it another ½ a meter. Well, once I get the spread of the light, if it's still overexposing on Rara's hair up there, I'll turn the light down a bit. But I do want to try and get a little bit more light. Like I want to fall off on the wall, but the hair's just going off there. I'm just going to rotate it a little bit. So I'm just tilting the power slightly further back. I'm going to get Rara to move just a little bit further back. So maybe halfway between where you are and the wall. Cool. Yeah, you can see the difference. See how we've lit the wall a little bit more. We're getting a little bit of a hot spot here. That's only because this front edge has got a touch closer to the ground, but that's not going to bother me at all. Can I get you just to go back a fraction further? Yep, about there. I'm just going to tilt that light just a touch more and then lift the whole light up a tiny bit. Cool. Yeah, it's a real subtlety, but I'm still liking even again, you see the back wall just got a fraction lighter. All right, so now that I've got that how I want it, I'm just going to very quickly make it a me picture. I might just use my levels to get a linear, that's better. So now I've got my camera settings how I wanted the light. I'm just gonna get my crop better because I'm not happy. I think I want to shoot lower to the ground on this to be more on the same level as Rara. Cool. Still thinking that I might, like I love all the empty space. I love that look of the empty space. It's really cool. Cool, nice. Yeah, so I've just changed my lens because I was too far back. I'm going to walk around Rah as well, but I just didn't need to be that far out. So I've got 100mm on now. Getting to shooting now, I'm going to do 2 different looks with this. Cool, that's really cool. So I've just come in a touch closer, that's cool. Yeah, no, I'm liking everything about that. Cool, so I've got my crop how I want it. We've got rain coming on the roof. We've got a guy next door on a saw, so everything's about perfect. So now I'm just going to get into, cool, that's really cool. That's really cool, that's really cool. Nice, nice. Keep drifting, yeah, beautiful, just drift into it, cool. Cool. That's pretty, that's really pretty, that's really pretty. Cool, that's, just gonna check what I'm getting. So with this now, it's just, I'm gonna just leave Rara doing what she's doing, but then dead straight into the camera could work really nice. Okay. And the 45's working nice, and you could even, I still reckon you could go side on as well, but I'm gonna work around you a little bit. That's really cool. Nice, nice, nice. That's really pretty. Nice. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. That's cool, that's cool. Nice, I like that, that's really cool. Nice. Cool. Nice, cool. That's cool. That's cool, that's really cool. Cool. Yeah, I'll do a fair bit on this. Cool, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So now I've got to here, now I'm gonna just come off the tripod and just shoot around and chase my pictures. Cool, cool. That's really pretty. Nice, beautiful, beautiful. Cool, cool. That's nice, that's really cool. That's cool, I like that. This, there. Beautiful, those eyes stunning. I just want to check what I'm getting. It's looking great through the camera. I think they're too pretty for Rara. Cool, I like that lots. Cool, cool. Nice, nice, nice. Cool, that's cool. That's cool, that's cool. That's cool, I like that lots. Let me get a couple on that so don't change. When I'm telling Rara, let me get a couple, it's just so I can shoot from different heights. Cool, I like that a lot. Cool, cool. Cool. Just gonna try one other thing. I don't think I can go. So I just want to, I still want to shoot the full length body, but I want to be shooting down on her just a bit more with this pose. I like that a lot. That's really pretty. Stunning, stunning, stunning. That's really pretty. Cool, cool. I'm just gonna have a look and see what I got. Oh, that's very pretty. Yeah, these are really cool, Rara. I'll just do a few more, okay? Nice, it's really about the eyes. Cool, beautiful, beautiful. Cool. Nice, nice. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. It's really pretty, that's really pretty. Give me a couple. Do you want to come have a look?
Yes. They look so
You happy with them?
Yeah, love them.
I reckon, oh, some of them are nice too. That one's really pretty.
So pretty.
You like?
Yeah, love them.
So I reckon we've got enough of that, but now I'm going to do a change up, okay?
Yep.
All right, so if you just want to jump back in there. So what I'm doing, I'm using my actual eyes to see the light. I do this on a lot of shoots where I've set it up with flashlight. That's really cool. Can you come forward a bit? Oh, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. So what I'm doing, I'm trying to use the light on the background to have a nice light background. I'm using the bounce off the floor, but the big octa is stopping any downlight onto Rara, and absolutely loving that. Let's just start putting some contrast in here first. So I think I like that. We'll do some, that's it, cool, that's really pretty. That's nice, eyes, really work those eyes. Yeah, I'm really liking this. So because we have a Suki Lala model, look, you want those knee pads? Or do you want a pillow?
Perfect.
Them or a pillow?
I'll do the knee pads.
You'll do the knee pads.
I'll just put them under my knees.
You can put, you sure?
Oh, God, yeah. I can make quirky poses. I can
Is it,
slide.
or would you rather a pillow?
I can slide.
Would you rather a pillow?
No, this is
You sure? Cool. That's really cool. I like that. Nice. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. Cool. Cool. There. I love that. Cool. Eyes. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. Working. Nice. Nice. Keep that drift. Think video, not stills. Keep. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. There. There. And then try and finish off every now and then with the eyes. There. Beautiful. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. Cool. Cool. So when I'm using fans, I'm not trying to get that on the back of a motorbike picture. I just want to get some volume in the hair. The sun's come up and taken this to a whole new level. Yeah, so since the sun's come up, it's really, really milked out her skin, and I'm gonna have to be careful. We're right on the edge, I think, of overexposing. These pictures are freaking cool. Oh, that's really cool. That's pretty, that's really pretty. Nice. So we've got a video with Rara, and they're beautiful. Cool, cool, cool. Cool, I like that. And you'll see how I just wait for her to drop in those eyes. Cool, that's really cool. Nice.
crazy hair.
Crazy hair. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. Cool, cool. That's really cool.
So we hope you guys enjoyed that, and we'll also throw up some other videos around now.